Hello students and welcome to all of you for this video session number 55. In this video session, we are going to discuss a topic based on GSP ecosystem. In the last class, we have discussed on GST architecture and its guidelines. In this class, the important objective is to cover the concept of GST ecosystem. How does it connect and what are the important uses of GSP ecosystem is the agenda of this session. So let me take you through to this slideshow. GSP ecosystem, it means the software that really helps through the help of web portal, software apps, accounting, ERP softwares, which is developed by GST Suvidha provider. It is a buffer between the taxpayer and the central GST server maintained by the government. GST ecosystem ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ through the web portal. It helps in having a connectivity with the GST system across India. It helps for all the taxpayers to have the easy filing of taxes, and the entire process of GST will be covered in this particular ecosystem. Next. So let me explain through the help of this one. This is a picture where you could see how a taxpayer can get the different things. Registration takes place, challan generation, invoicing, uploading, return filing, ledger. So it has a different kind of a structure like this. Web portal irutte, through mobile app, accounting package, ERP, customs apps irutte. All these things will have a connectivity to the GSP, so goods and services provider, Suvidha provider, GST server. So through that, it connects a server between the GST portal with the taxpayers for the proceedings. So ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೂ, ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೂ, ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so this ecosystem helps as a facilitator between the taxpayer as well as the GST server. Next, let me go through the important role and the advantages of GSP ecosystem. GST ecosystem is developed in India just for the easy maintenance of the GST system and the network. The functionalities that are available for GSP through API, that is application programming interface, that really helps the GST system through the help of the following modules. It helps the job of a taxpayer and the tax consultant, and also it helps in the submission of returns for GSTR 1 up to GSTR form 12. GSTR 1 in the GSTR 100 forms submit ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ help ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It helps in the making of payments. It helps in the ledger maintenance also, and the other important facilities can also be obtained through this GSP ecosystem. For tax professionals, consolidated view of all the clients. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Ability to upload invoice data etc. from the dashboard. Through the dashboard, you can upload the invoice data regarding the purchases and sales. Any other things to the dashboard can also be made easy through the help of this role of GSP ecosystem. And of course, getting updated on the taxpayers from this GST system. Updates ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ನೀವು. Taxpayers updates ಅನ್ನ through GST system ಇಂದನೂ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು GSP ecosystem ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಅದೊಂದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ GST registration model. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ GST registration model ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. GST registration module has below major functionalities available through application programming interface. That is the new registration. Any new registration has to be done when it helps in taking the new registration also can be done. Changes or amendments to existing registration can also be done. Changing of the business, changing of the any other details of the business can also be done. Cancellation of registration. See, if you want to cancel a registration, it can also be done. Opting in and out from composition. You can take a composition or you can go out from the composition scheme can also be done. Revocation of registration can also be done. Surrender, if you do not want to continue, you still want to surrender, means you can apply for surrender of registration. Workflow, for handling all kind of functionalities. So you can get the facilities of a workflow for handling and facilitating all this kind of functionalities can also be done through this GSP ecosystem. So in short, GSP ecosystem is really acts as a supportive mode to build a bridge between the GST portal and to the taxpayer. It helps in supporting all types of elements for the payment of taxes and any other registration, cancellation kind of related things. Thank you, everyone. So we'll come out with the many more videos in the next class. And till then, it's goodbye from me. Thank you.